Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying essentials and launching outreach immediately. Have ID, supplies, and 510 portfolio photos ready. Set an hourly or per job price that factors travel and materials. Once done, message neighbors and post short offers on community boards and Nextdoor. Send tailored cold messages to 1-2 local contractors offering subcontract help. Make sure to emphasize availability windows and free estimates. This jumpstarts inquiries and converts casual interest into booked inspections. You now qualify prospects by asking concise, decisive questions: project square footage, surface type, desired finish, timeline, and budget. Once you get answers, provide a quick estimate range to keep momentum, then book an on-site check within 48 hours for a firm quote. Make sure to bring a short contract template that covers scope, price range, deposit percentage, and cleanup responsibilities. This speeds agreement and reduces scope creep while projecting professionalism and confidence. You finish by closing the deal. Confirm start date, permit requirements if any, final payment terms, and cancellation policy. Once agreed, collect a deposit via card or app and send a pre-job checklist with prep tips to reduce delays. Make sure to take progress photos. If problems come up, document issues with timestamps and photos, communicate remedies immediately, and offer remediation steps or a fair discount. This protects your reputation and turns most hiccups into satisfied customers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.